Right now, I would like to show you what is inside the engine bay of this #1 SUV here in the market. Okay, good day guys. This is 3DB the Tapos Eastman, Joshua Rosa at your service. Right now, nandito tayo sa showroom ng Mitsubishi. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung 2025 Montero Sport. Gusto nyo naman makita kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng 2024 to 2025. Emphasize natin, pakita yung specs. Okay? Right now here, if you try to look the 2025 Mitsubishi Montero, ang pinagkaiba niya sa 2024, if you try to look it, na bago na yung mismong front grille niya. And like you see, ito yung pinaka-latest for the 2025 model over the 2024. Bago na yung ano niya, mismong front grille niya. Right now, I would like to show you what is inside the engine bay of this #1 SUV here in the market. You know what guys? Like you see here, papakita ko sa inyo detail by detail kung ano ang specification ng mismong engine ng Montero Sport. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo? This Montero Sport 2025, which is parehas din naman ng 2024, is a 4N15 engine, 4-cylinder, which is consisting of 2,442cc. 2.4 engine that can create 179 horsepower, then 430 Newton of torque. Ganun kalakas ng mismong Montero Sport. Bakit talaga nagna-number 1 siya sa market? Then take note this engine is a manual transmission na may turbo. And then, like I said kanina, itong mismong specs ng manual natin sa 6-speed manual transmission. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng-pwede talaga sa mga off-road din to, pero most likely it's depend on the terrain or the mismong road condition. And then like you see here, sobrang ganda ng mismong engine bay. At the same time, the cooling system or ventilation of this Montero Sport as a Calsonic type of ventilation, which is ayun yung makikita nyo kung but #1 naman si Nissan in terms of cooling system because of that Calsonic, which is nandito na sa Montero Sport yun. Like you see here, pakita natin. Ito yon, kaya ganyan kaganda ang technology ng mismong ventilation or ng mismong air conditioning system ng Montero Sport just because this is a Calsonic. This is the turbo specs na kung saan, ayun nga, ang nagbibigay ng mas magandang proseso ng combustion. Lahat ng exhaust air will undergo with this turbocharger para makreate yung 179 at makreate yung mismong fuel efficiency na kayang yatin ng mismong engine ng 4N15. Okay ba tayo doon guys? Then most likely, ang maganda pa rito sa Montero Sport na to, this is a 6-speed manual transmission na kung saan it's a 2.4 Mavic engine na can create 198 horsepower. Okay? Okay guys, right now, andito tayo sa interior ng Montero Sport 2025 GLX manual. Like you see here, naka 6-speed manual transmission. Sobrang ganda ng mismong transmission and technology ng engine ng Mitsubishi kung bakit talagang marami ang tumatangkilik at patuloy na bumibili ng Mitsubishi brand. Then, if you try to look, sobrang ganda ng steering wheel ng bagong 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLX manual. Bakit? Kasi naka 3-spoke to na leather raft together with a Mitsubishi Tri-Dial logo, SRS airbag guys. Then, saan ka nakakita ng manual na naka-cruise control? Technically, marami siyang control for the calls. Then, together with the entertainment, meron na rin tong tuning, lalo na pag if you want to play using your Spotify, you have a lot of control. This is a captain steering wheel na kung saan kahit hindi ka na pumindot dito sa touchscreen monitor entertainment system mo, with the use of steering wheel controls na mayroong technology si Montero Sport, panalong-panalo na. Pinagmamalaki talaga ng Mitsubishi brand is yung pinaka Mac person or yung mismong sobrang ganda ng suspension. Like you see here, okay, so pansinin nyo, sumakay ako. Okay, di ba? Then naglalaro yung mismong suspension talaga. Ibig sabihin, wala pang load, naglalaro na yung suspension, what more pa pag may load. Kaya, bakit nagna-#1 si Montero? Isa yung suspension sa pinakamagandang technology na mayroon tong unit na to. Bakit nag-#1 siya? Isa yun. Then, aesthetically looks, siya lang yung mayroong kakaiba or mismong design na masasabi natin na itong mismong taillight natin is visible for during the night driving. At isa sa mga reason kung bakit mas kokonti or naiiwasan yung mga aksidente during the night driving is yung visibility ng mismong head ng taillight mo.
Yes!
Then, konting accessories na lang to. Mukhang top of the line na rin like the GT 4x2 automatic. Overall specification, exterior, check. Technology, check. Suspension for the comfort, check. Engine performance, fuel efficiency, check. Then most likely, with the price range, this unit has a lot of discount, and most likely, this is durable and after-sales service, and the parts of this Mitsubishi Montero Sport is always available in the market. Why? Because meron tayong planta ng Mitsubishi Motor Philippines here in the Philippines, located at Santa Rosa. Yun yung pinakamaganda dito sa Montero Sport, kaya nagna-number 1 si Montero Sport. And that's for all. This is the Top Salesman JDB Vehicle Trading. Follow me, the Top Salesman, or follow me at my JDB Vehicle Trading page for more. To God all be the glory.